In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete YouTube comments. Maybe you left a comment a while ago that you've changed your mind about, or you just want to clean up your comment history. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly find your old comments and remove any you don't want to keep. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account because your comments are tied to the account you're logged into. If you manage multiple channels or accounts, double check this before you start. Otherwise, you might not see the comments you're looking for. Once you're on the YouTube homepage and signed in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand column, find and click on the option labeled History. This is where YouTube keeps track of the videos you've watched, and it also provides access to your comment history. When the history page opens, you'll notice a few different sections. On the right-hand side, or sometimes across the top depending on your layout, you'll see different history types. Look for the section that refers specifically to comments. It might appear as a link or button that says something like Comments. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now be taken to a page that shows a list of all the comments you've made on YouTube, usually in chronological order. Each entry will show your comment, the video it was posted on, and the time it was made. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific comment you want to remove. This can be a good opportunity to review what you've written in the past and decide which ones you'd like to keep. When you've found the comment you want to delete, look for a small X icon next to that comment. This icon represents the option to remove it. Carefully click on the X. You'll usually see a confirmation prompt appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the comment, since this action can't be undone. To finish the process, click on Delete in the confirmation message. The comment will immediately be removed from YouTube and from your activity history. If you have more comments you'd like to clean up, just repeat the same steps. Scroll, find the comment, click the X, and confirm by clicking Delete.